Hello, my friends. What day is it? It is day 12. Had to think about that there. Let us pop this puppy open and see what we get for today's Advent surprise. That is number 12. Let's move this off out of the way. And let us look and see what day 12 brings us. Let me try to get this started here. Tape one-handed. I got that far. All right, a little bit more leverage here. Oh, it's a whole stack of things. What does this say? Snow Pixie. Ooh, that looks pretty. All right, there's one. And the next one. Daisy Do? A Daisy Do. A Daisy Do. Oh, that's cute. It's a little flower daisy glitter. That's precious. And our last one here. The last one is Baby Girl, is what I call my little puppy girl. And I will get some pictures here so you can see the exact colors that this is, because my lights are off in here, so I can't even tell what the true color is. But stay tuned. I will post them all. All right, bye.